Hello friends, welcome back to Ecom Solution Hive. So in last video, we have started developing on Shopify, the first course, and we have understood what is the Shopify. Now we will move on to the how Shopify is architect. So first, before jumping into how Shopify is architect, Uh, hope all of you are aware about these two architecture that are shown on screen. But let's talk about these two architect first in brief. So um, there are two basic architectures. One is monolith, second is microservices. So what is monolith? Monolith, as you can see on screen, closed system tightly coupled. So what does it mean? And second point is written hard to extend. So what does it mean by tightly coupled closed system? So you can see the circle. So in diagrammatical format, I tried to explain you. In circle, you can see the four models: inventory, products, order, and etc. etc. Those are under the circle. So that means they are not separate, that are not individual. This is explained in diagrammatical format. Now, if I give you one example, so for example, someone is going to develop one software for some particular organization or particular company, particular store. For example, I am going to develop a application for cult fit, or I am taking example of gym, gold gym, cult fit, or any anytime fitness or any gym. So for example, if I am going to develop it for particular location, so that particular location, that particular manager have some particular requirements. Now I am developing the software, the application for that particular store. But in microservices, what is the basic difference? If I want the application for all of the stores, all of the location of that particular gym, I will develop it like any gym can adopt it easily, and they can customize on for their own requirement on top of the base I have developed. So in microservices, greater flexibility, loosely coupled, plenty of opportunity to customize. Okay. Another example, if I take, for example, in mobile application, you have seen contact app. So contact app is itself a application, and but if other application, third party application, want to use your contacts, so the contact app is architect in the way that any other app can easily customize it. So that this is also very good example. And if you take another application which you download from Google Play Store or iTunes, so that is you can't customize. That is for their own purpose only. So this is the basic difference. Now we come to the another points of differences, like uh, obviously the monolith is low operational cost and faster development. Why it is so? Because I know that my gym, in my gym, this type of member count, this type of requirement I get, so I design my database accordingly and I do it fast. But in on the other side, if I want to develop this as a microservice so that it can be customized, others can also use, so that time I have to spend more time on architecture. So that's why it's highly high operation cost and longer development. So these are few differences on monolith and microservices. And if we go into in depth for each architect. There is so many example can come. We can go in deep. So this was the high level difference, high level example. So now on the next video, we will talk about what is how the Shopify is architect. So we'll see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will complete this series. There will be so many videos that will help you to clear the Shopify development fundamental certification. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.